Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how to take a screenshot in Windows 10. For this video, I'll be using what's called the Snipping tool, and the Snipping tool is available on every computer pre-installed with Windows 10. So go ahead and open up the Snipping tool, go to your search bar in the bottom left of your screen, type in Snipping tool to open it. And then to use this tool, all you need to do is select New, and you can highlight whatever you want to take a screenshot of. So I'm just going to take a screenshot of this Alienware head. So I'm going to go ahead and drag and then everything in the red box is what I'm taking a screenshot of. So here's the image I want. And now I have a couple options I can do. If I press Control-C to make a copy of this image, I can copy it, and then I can open up Google Sheets, I can open up Excel, I can open up Word, Docs, whatever, anything that normally allows you to paste anything in, and I can paste that image into my Google Sheets. So here is the screenshot that I just took, and it's already in Google Sheets. Now, you can also go back to your snipping tool. You don't have to use Google Sheets. You don't have to use Excel. Most Windows 10 have Paint 3D pre-installed on it as well. So if you have Paint 3D on your computer and you have this icon, then you can edit this image directly in Paint 3D. So if I select Paint 3D, it's going to automatically load my image that I just took a screenshot of in Paint, and then I can make modifications to this as well. And that's a quick video on how to take a screenshot in Windows 10, more specifically how to take a screenshot using the Snipping tool. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and I hope to see you all in future quick videos.